If you want to send a file in Outlook without attaching a big copy of it, the easiest option is to use a OneDrive share link. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to attach a OneDrive share link on Outlook so you can share files quickly, keep everything cloud-based, and make collaboration much easier. This is a great method if you're sending documents, spreadsheets, or presentations and want the recipient to open the latest version directly from OneDrive. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software how-to videos just like this one. It really helps support the channel, and it tells me to keep making these step-by-step guides for you. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Outlook and start a new email message or open a reply to an existing email. You can use this method whether you're composing a brand new message or responding to someone already. Once your message window is open, look at the ribbon or the top of the email window and find the Attach File button. This usually appears as a paperclip icon, so if you don't see the full text, just look for the paperclip. Click Attach File, and a menu will open with different attachment options. Instead of choosing a local file from your computer, select Browse Web Locations. This is the option that lets you connect to cloud storage services directly from Outlook. From there, choose OneDrive. Once you select OneDrive, Outlook will open your cloud files so you can browse through your folders. Take a moment to find the file you want to share. You can usually scroll through recent files or open a folder if you already know where the document is stored. When you find the correct file, click to select it. After selecting the file, click Insert or Next, depending on the version of Outlook you're using. Outlook may then prompt you with a question about how you want to include the file. This is the key step, because instead of attaching a full copy, you want to share the OneDrive link. Choose Share Link, or in some versions it may say Share as OneDrive link. This tells Outlook to insert a cloud-based link into your email rather than embedding a traditional attachment. The benefit here is that the recipient can open the file directly from OneDrive, and if you update the file later, they can still access the latest version. Now you'll see the file appear in your email message. At this point, you can continue writing your email as normal. Add your message, include your subject line, and send it just like any other email. When the recipient gets it, they'll be able to click the link and view the file through OneDrive. This method is especially useful for larger files, team collaboration, and situations where you don't want multiple versions of the same document floating around in email threads. It also helps keep your inbox cleaner and reduces the chance of sending outdated attachments. If you didn't see the OneDrive option right away, make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account and that your OneDrive is connected to Outlook. In most cases, once your account is set up properly, the Browse Web Locations option will be available whenever you attach a file. And that's it. You've now learned how to attach a OneDrive share link on Outlook in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Outlook or OneDrive feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.